So in this session, I'll cover CoPilot and Azure portal. So as you all must be very familiar with CoPilot, it's already there in Windows 11 as well as in Microsoft Edge browser. And this is the CoPilot preview that is available for us, and it helps us in various tasks, be it optimizing cost and performance, and be it metric based insights. It also helps us in Azure CLI scripting, and it also helps in support and troubleshooting. So in this session, I'll mostly cover cost management and billing and how Copilot helps us in doing the same. So if you can see in the top right corner, there is Copilot. So it's available for many. So now let us see, like, the suggestions by Copilot. We can use it for designing, operation, optimizing, and troubleshooting. So for this session, I'll be only searching it for cost related things. So let me ask Copilot the first question. So I want so it has shown me all the details of resources in my subscription, and the date range is June 1st to June 26th, that is this month, and the cost is 2,302 rupees for this month, and the highest contribution is by Data Factory, that is 49%, then by Cognitive Search, that is 19.69%, and we have databases, recovery services, or in the descending order. I can also ask it for ascending order, but that makes no sense. It only makes sense if I'm searching for the cost resource with the minimum cost. So now if I want to know the cost by resource type, so I'll ask provide me details of cost by resource types. That is by data factories, by logic apps, by SQL databases. So as we can see, data factories contribute to 49% of this cost for this month. Then search services, then servers, then vaults, then storage accounts. And logic app, that is workflows, only contributes to 0.17%. So if you see for January the cost was 8,000, then for February it's 5,000, for March it's 3,000, for April it's 1,000, for May it's 1,400. So if you see, Data factories have contributed the maximum charges for January to June, and this is in this order. So compare this to charges associated with the previous year. So if we see, so if you see, it has shown me charges for January 1st of 2023 to June of 2023, and similarly for Jan of this year to June of this year. So it has shown me the percentage change. So if you see, some resources were not there in the previous years, hence the cost is zero. So let's see for the resources which existed last year. So it's 98 in the previous year, it's 1000 in the current year. And similarly, this resource, it's 305 in the previous year and it's 856 in the current year. So what if we need to know the forecast for the next month? So I want to know the forecast for the next month. So let's see how it helps. So as expected, the forecasted cost for the subscription is 5,833. So this is based on the current trend and the current resources patterns on which we are using them, and has forecasted the cost. So now if I want to know what is the forecasted cost for the next 6 months, let me search. So for the next 6 months, the cost is predicted to be 41,000. So as you can see, like this is how we can use Copilot for cost management, and this saves lots of tedious and innumerable steps that we have to undergo to get these insights and metrics. So just by asking Copilot what we need regarding the costs and associated billing, we can just get these answers in a few clicks, and we just need to ask it like how we ask any consultant for any guidance or any measures. Uh, just in the preview phase, it's helping us immensely and showing us lots of valuable insights. So just think about how it will help once it is live. So thank you for watching my session.